What's up there, YouTube? Doing another tool review. I got two new flex head ratchet and a set of gear wrench ratchet and combination wrenches, standard and metric 20-piece set. I'm going to start out with the ratchet first, so move these aside. Alright, my new flex head ratchet from Matco, really nice. Green comfort grip. Really comfy, fits in your hand nice. Good grip. Matco tools. 88. Where's the camera? There it is. 88 tooth technology. Locking flex head mechanism. Snap-ons don't have these, so it's nice. You can move it back like that. Lock it. It doesn't move. You could do it like this, and lock it, it doesn't move. Or you could use it like a normal ratchet, leave it up like that. Nice sleek head. I think this is, I want to say 11 inches, 12 inches long. Nice ratchet right there. Then I got my gear wrench, ratchet and combination wrenches. Come in nice packaging, metric, standard, almost a full set of both. I got 10 each, real smooth. I got them on sale for $50 from Sears. Real good quality. Come in this nice hard plastic packaging. Just put it right in your toolbox. That's about it for this review. Thanks for watching.